Hi cuties, now we are going to see the alphabets. Shall we see now? And what are the things and sounds of the words coming for alphabets? Shall we see now? Ready now? Yes, what is this? You know what is this? Yay! What is the sound of yay? Apple. Yes. Can you see what is in my hand? That is A for apple. What is the sound of A? Apple. Yes, you're right. What I'm going to show after A, what will come? Can you guess it? Yes, that's going to come B. B for bat. Bat. Yes, you're right. B for bat. Okay, after B, what will come? Yes, you're right. I can hear your voice. That is C. Yeah, C for cat. Cat. Yeah. For C, what sound is coming? Cat. Okay. After C, what will come? Shall we see now? Yes. Can you guess it? What will come? That is D. What is this? It is a D letter. Dog. Dog. Wow, super. You all reminding the letters of A, B, C, D. Okay. After D, what letter will come? Shall we see now? Yeah, that is E. What the sound of E? Elephant. Yeah. Elephant. How elephant makes sound? Shall we see now? Bow. Yeah, you're right. After E, what letter will come? Can you guess it now? That is wow, that is F. Yay. We are going to see what is for F. That is F for fish. What is the sound for F? For fish. For fish. Yes, I can hear your words. Superb. You are very good. You are repeating me. Now we are going to see after F what will come. Can you guess it? Yeah, very good. You are saying good. That is G. G for goat. G for goat. What is the sound for G? Goat. Goat. Wow, superb. You are very brilliant children. Yeah. After G, what letter will come? Can you guess it? Yes, I know. You will say the answer. H for horse. H for horse. What is the sound for H? Horse. Horse. Wow, superb. After H, what will come? Ready? Time. That is I. I make sound igloo. Igloo. Superb. You are very brilliant and cute. Good. Okay, after I, what letter will come? You are going to laugh at this. Yeah, that is J for Joker. J for Joker. Yeah. What Joker will do? Joker will make funny things and make you laugh. No, yeah, that is J for Joker. Okay, after J, what letter will come? Yes, you're right. That is K. Yeah. In the holiday, you will see many kites soar in the sky. Is it? Yeah. K. What is this? K make a sound kite. Kite. Wow, superb. And after K, what letter will come? Shall you guess it? Yeah, that is L. What letter L will make a sound? Lamp. Lamp. I am having a lamp. When we'll switch on the lamp? Yes, in night we'll put no, that is lamp. Light. Wow, super. Okay. After L, what will you letter will come? Can you guess it? Yes, you'll all like it. That is monkey. Monkey. Yeah. You know, monkey likes most one is banana. Yeah. For M letter, what comes? M for monkey. Monkey. Yes. After M, what letter will come? N. For N, what is coming? N for nest. N for nest. Yeah, nest. Where the nest will be there? The nest will be in a tree. Yes. Okay. After N, which letter will come? Oh, yeah, that is O for orange. Orange, yeah. You like the fruit orange? No, that is start with O. Orange. Okay, now we are going to see the letter P. Yeah, P is for parrot. Parrot. Yeah, you're right. After P, what letter is going to come? Can you guess it? Yes, that is Q. Quack, quine. Queen. Yeah, that is queen. Yeah, we can see the queen, no? Who are the girls here? Yeah, the girls, everyone are queen in the home. And your mama also queen in the home. Yes, for letter Q, what is going to come? Q, queen. Okay, after Q, what is going to come? That is R. Yeah, for R, rabbit. Rabbit. See how cute the rabbit is. It is so white and very beautiful. For R, we are going to see rabbit. Okay. After R, what letter is going to come? Can you guess it? That is yes. That is yes. For yes sound, sun. Sun. Yeah. You every morning you will see the sun, no? Where is it coming? It is come from the sky. And for yes, the sun is coming. Yes, after yes, what letter we are going to see? That is T. Wow, see, look at the T. Tomato. Tomato. Yeah. You can see the vegetable. Every day my mommy will make this. Your mummies also make this, no? Yeah. Your mommy will make with this tomato. T for tomato. Okay, after this, what we are going to see? That is U. Yeah, for you, what we are going to see? Umbrella. Umbrella. At which time we'll use this? In the rainy season and very hot season, we will use the umbrella. Okay. Next, we are going to see violin. Violin. Very good. I can hear your voice. Okay. Next, we are going to see W. W for watch. Yeah. Mama and Papa will tie the watch in their hands. You can see W for watch. Okay, after W, what will come? X for Xmas tree. In the Xmas, you can see this tree full of light. Yeah, that is X for Xmas tree. Okay, Now we are going to see after letter is Y. That is yacht. Yeah, that is a yacht. How colorful it is. Okay, now we are going to the last letter. That is, can you guess it? Yeah, that is Z. Zebra. Zebra. Very good. I can hear the voice from you. That's all.